Yo, haha, Miltnificent.
Well, looks like if you did not have a chance to get the Adidas Glory Gray Climacool colorway, at least in the lace system, this is the laceless, you may have a second chance to getting it. But let's talk about it. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Miltnificent coming back with another quick video. If you go on the actual Adidas app and you go to the search field and you type in Climacool or Climamog, you will see the whole Climacool series, both in the laceless and the lace system. Now, I have the off-white with the whole lattice system 3D print. This thing, in my opinion, still feels good. But some people have, I want to say in my comment section, did say that they've noticed that maybe the lattice portion kind of clips off or breaks or snaps. I haven't had that issue happen, at least just yet. Some other people saying that they also saw some color distortion as they wore it over time. And this is why I kind of wanted to not get the off-white lace system in terms of the Climacool series, but this Glory Gray is what they're calling it, has a lace system, but it's gray. So this one, you won't be able to see that color distortion that I think people are talking about over time. So I'd be curious to see if I could get this. I wasn't able to get this shoe 2 weeks ago when it released because you needed to have Adidas level 4 access just to purchase it. So August 15th, which is not that far away, if you have level 3 access with Adidas, at least within the Adidas app, you'll have a chance to grab the whole Glory Gray Climacool, at least in the lace system. But comment below, let me know, out of all the 3 Climacool so far, which one do you think is the coolest? Do you think the Glory Gray or the Off-White series, which one is better? I personally, I prefer the whole Off-White because I like the laceless. And I'm not sure how that whole lace system is going to work when, you put your foot in. Didn't really get a chance to see it up close, but I'd be curious to see what happens kind of the top of my foot as I'm putting my, sliding this thing in, because some people were saying that this at times can be hard to get it's not seamless. You can't just throw your foot in there. You kind of have to work it in there if you know what I mean. But with the lace system, from what I understand, is that it's a lot easier. So we shall see. I'm going to go after this August 14th when it drops. Sorry, August 15th when it supposedly drops, and then see if I can grab it and put it on the Miltnificent channel, and then we go from there. But again, if you didn't get a chance to pick up the whole Climacool Glory Gray colorway and the lace list system, August 15th will be your second chance. But your boy Miltnificent, man, I am out, and you guys stay blessed.